Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reinstall a VPN configuration in the ExpressVPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the options button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the VPN settings section, look for the reinstall VPN configuration button and click on that. And then just click on the allow button, and it will probably ask for a device passcode, so just enter that, and after that the configuration is ready to start. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.